Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some leaked pets that are coming to Prodigy. But before we start, I have to give a big shout out to First Mate Craig, or First Mate Philip. He found these leaks, and yeah, here they are. So we have two pets. I'm assuming these are coming in Summerfest because we already had Gatorade and Coastdale, which were both part of Springfest, so it might make sense for these to come in Summerfest, which will probably come tomorrow, next week, or the week after that. It should be coming very soon because summer started yesterday. But yeah, here they are. They look like chili peppers, kind of. So they look kind of weird, and there is a skeleton for them. These look like fire types. So here are the skeletons for them. No one has put them together. It would be pretty hard to put them together because they are... there's like nothing to base it off of because it's not going to be a reskin of anything. So he wrote some stuff about it. It says now this could possibly be Summerfest or maybe another update. It looks like some type of chili pepper that doesn't... chili pepper plant type that pet that's sick could be a fire or earth element and probably a strong pet. I doubt it, but I still can't wait till this brand new pet is released. Also, one more thing, my name guess for this pet is Spice Bite or Eploscro from for bottom one, or Nitrofang or Tropic Cost for top one. And those are my guesses for them anyway, so you might add your name guesses in the comments. So, someone was thinking these are ultimate members. They're not going to be ultimate member pets because they would be reskins, but this is actually the first evolution. If you go into the game files, this is pet one number 187, and pet number 188 would be this. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe so that we can pass free ticket subscribers, and bye.